Hey friends, this is LTO here. And welcome to the new update on LTO. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that LTO has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very massive rally, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of 30 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and again, it worked as a strong resistance and recently, the price line has tested this long-term support of 8 cents. And by the way, if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that it was more than 481% pump. And if I place a measurement tool from this low when we were having this massive drop to this high, then you can see that this was more than 1000% pump. And now we are trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 12 cents and goes to 15 cents. That had been previously breaking as a support zone here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone, and after the breakout, it was again flipped to a nice support zone here. We had a bounce, and now for the past few weeks, again, it is breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for RadWorks, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 1st of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of LTO. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that previously, since after December 2020, it was moving inside this very big and massive falling wedge pattern. Here, by the way, we had a fake out from the falling wedge pattern in the month of November 2020. November 2021, but the price and re-entered the same falling wedge pattern, and after getting squeezed, finally we broke it out, and then we had a very nice pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of 30 cents that had been previously working as a resistance here, almost as a resistance here as well, and here it has been breaking as support, and now it is again flipped into a resistance. And if the price then breaks out this resistance on, then an imminent move can be again possible up to this resistance of 30 cents. By the way, this resistance on starts from 12 cents and goes to 15 cents. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance on, then you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance on here, resistance, and after the breakout, it was flipped into a support zone, and for several months it had been working as a support zone here, and after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a resistance for several months, and here, it again broke as a support, and after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. Therefore, now we need to break out this resistance zone in order to continue this rally to the upside. There can be another resistance, a downtrend line resistance. You can see that we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 rejections by this downtrend line resistance. Therefore, the pricing can also face this downtrend line level as a hurdle or resistance. At the same time, there was also a bullish divergence flag that the price informed this low here, and the next low it has formed lower than the previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it has formed a higher low than previous low, and the price has followed this signal, and with this bullish divergence it has moved up at this resistance zone. Therefore, this time there is a probability that the price may break out this resistance zone. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this very massive falling wedge pattern, that technical long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.